Sound check, check. Sound check. Check.
Yung anniversary party namin.
Oh, sound check. Check 1, 2, and everybody, welcome to Bistro Manila. We are Sunday Solid. We like to start off with a song from Saturday. Time alive, lover boy. He moves in space with minimum waste and maximum joy. City lights and business lines, when you wake by street kind of sign for higher heights. The place for beginners is sensitive eyes. Sentiment is left to chance. The place to be somewhere to start. No need to ask, he's a smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Coast to coast, LA to Chicago, Western land. Across the north and south to Chicago, love for sale. Alright, check this out. Face to face, each lesson pays. We shadow box and double cross, yet with the chase. A license to love, insurance to hold. Dancing your memories, changing to gold. His eyes are like angels, but his heart is cold. No need to ask, he's a smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Coast to coast, LA to Chicago, Western land. Across the north and south to Chicago, love for sale. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Oh, smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth Alright, thank you so much and magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Bistro Manila. welcome kay Ice Belen.
Ay, ano pala si Hi, friend.
Welcome kay Ice Belen. Tsaka kay Irene and company, welcome. Salamat.
Ay, thank you naman sa guest.
And also, shout out kay Tita Sheila and also Tita Leia and company. Yeah, welcome to Bistro. Yeah, laki naman. And our guests from the US.
Wow, bongga.
Balita ko kakanta sila mamaya. So,
Ay, bongga.
papabayaan muna namin kayong kumain for now. Right? And then we'll be calling on you later on to join the band.
Enjoy your dinner, guys. Chill muna tayo.
Yes. Kung meron mo kayong mga sineselebrate, baka meron
Yes, baka may birthday tonight. Ayan, guys.
Ayun, meron na yata doon sa likod. Sino ang ating
May birthday ba dyan?
Anong name?
Ano pangalan ni Kuya? Ha? Ay, tatlo
Ay,
nag-birthday.
tatlo! Sulat natin para masabi namin yung tawag. Tama ba, Ray, yung isa? Sino pa? Lorna! And? Kathy?
Rocky! Ay, si Rocky. O, tapos.
Ha? And of course, si Tita Sheila will be having her birthday tomorrow. Actually, mamayang 12 o'clock. Tama ba? Di ba?
Yes. Over na. Yes. Okay.
Lahat ng birthday celebrant kumakanta. So, prepare yung mga kanta nila. Hindi pwedeng no exemptions.
Kaya nga.
Alright, so we'd like to move on to this OPM and then later on matatawag tayo ng makinig ka.
Tatawag tayo ng mga beshi. Ito na nga. Para sa mga may katadhana siya.
Sorry.
Sa mga beshi. The Cathy on keyboard, yeah.
Sa hindi inaasahan, paghanap ko ng mga mundo, may minsan lang ng tukton na magdama na mubong nito. Di ko ba sapat na sakit at lahat na hindi mo ipararanas sa'yo? Ibinubunyakan ang iyong mata, sumisiga ng pagsinta, at di pa patulang ang pagsuyong na kulang. Tayong umaasa, hilag at kamulang, ikaw ang hatungan at bilang panungan mo, ako ang sasagip sa'yo. Saan nga ba pagtungo? Nagayabak ka't nahihiwagan ang bagyo ng tadhana ay dinadala ko sa init ng bisig mo. Ba't di pa sabihin ang hindi mo maamin? Ipauubaya na lang ba to sa hangin? Huwag mong ikatakot ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Narito ako, nakikinig sa'yo.
nakikinig sa'yo.
Thank you once again.
Yes, so much.
Welcome to our guests.
Yes,
who just came in.
welcome.
Welcome to Bistro Manila.
Alright.
Hope you have fun. And shout out ulit sa ating ka-throwbacks na
Of course,
ang
si
ating
CDG
magagandang
yan. Meron siyang
MTV.
MTV.
Oo. So,
Meron siyang
check out.
sariling MTV.
Oo, meron siyang vlog ng mga
Yes.
performances. So,
Thank you so much
check it
naman.
out
We don't
on
need to
YouTube.
record ourselves.
Yes.
Yan,
correct.
dahil sa'yo.
Meron nagre-record pa.
May napapanood na kami sa YouTube. Ayan.
Thank you once again. Give it up. Ka-throwbacks.
Yes, Carlito de Guzman.
The Guzman, CDG, MTV. Check it
Yes.
out on YouTube.
CDG kita, yes.
Ready ka na, Ice Bilin?
Ice B, ikaw lang.
Ice
Ice
B.
B. Ice B talaga.
Ice B.
Ice B, ikaw talaga yun.
Tawagan ka namin, sige na. Kasi baka tumakas ka, feeling ko tatakas kapag tapos na kayo.
Kaya mo yan, friend, narin akong tepak ko.
Sabi mo, murang-mura na.
Murang-mura lang, guys.
Murang-mura lang.
Labubo ba yan?
May sale tayo, Christmas sale.
Yes, half price. Ayan guys, I'm sure.
Okay, we'd like to do this one.
Para sa mga iniwan. Hindi ka naman iniwan, madam. Sa ganda mong yan. Ano?
Nambobola ka. Okay naman.
Kaya sabi ko nga, lalaki dun, babae dun. Hindi kayo nagsasama sa mukha. Araw-araw nakita niyo tayo.
Arizona sky, putting in your rain. You look at me, you baby, when I catch on fire. Spirit in my soul, like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I walk so close that I can fly the world, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and a battle over late, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets try to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but then we try. But I really know you where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all so covered, I can find the words. Every time I say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and a cloud won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, yo, I wanna make this a memory, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. So when I walk so covered, I can find
Alright, palakpakan mo natin si Grace.
Thank you so much.
Ayan. Dahil sinaya mo si Lady Gaga,
Si Bruno Mars, panghatingin natin yung may duet sila.
Tapos mamaya mag-tayo with the smile tayo
Oo,
ng set.
Tsaka yung pizza. Paano ba yung choreography? Eh, sorry guys. Akala namin nasa bahay kami.
Mag-practice kami mamaya. Oo, medyo confused.
Confused pa, yeah.
Oo, brain fuck kami today.
Brainstorming muna tayo. Ayan, brainstorming. Adele Jo, welcome to our newcomers. Take it away.
Once again, okay, para din ako may ating crowd. So later on, we'll be asking you to jam with us.
Let's take our time tonight. Oh, come on, give it up. Come on, smallest thoughts so much. There's no place I'd rather be in this world. Your eyes are where I'm lost in. Underneath the chandelier, we're dancing all alone. There's a reason to hide what we're feeling inside right now. So baby, let's just turn on the lights and close the door. Oh, love the dress, but you need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just isolate, yeah, baby. We're searching on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me, now, girl. We're searching on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me, now, girl. I can sit down back and watch it fall while I kiss your neck and shoulder. Don't be afraid to show it all. I'll be right here ready to hold you. But you know you're perfect from your head up to your feet. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just isolate, yeah, baby. We're searching on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. We're searching on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Take.
It's warming up,
Can you feel it?
it's warming up,
Can you feel it?
it's warming
Can
up.
you feel it, baby? Seems like you're ready for more, more, more. Let's just kiss one again. We're searching on the floor. Hey, baby, take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. We're searching on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. We're searching on the floor. Lord, Lord.
Right, thank you so much. Song for Bruno Mars. Bago kami magpatuloy, kantaan pala natin ating mga birthday celebrant.
Of course.
Alright, once again, yung ating mga birthday celebrants dyan, and of course, Tita Sheila, would like to sing this song for you. Mamaya uling after 12, kakantahan ka natin. Happy birthday to you. Come on, help us out with the song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Sa lahat ng birthday celebrants, and Tita Sheila. Happy birthday to you. Alright, palakpakan natin lahat ng ating birthday celebrants. Thank you for celebrating right here at Bistro.
See you again next year, guys. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
With a schedule. Yeah.
May schedule. Alright, let's try the song from Desiree. Listen as your day unfolds, challenge what the future holds. Try and keep your head up to the sky. Lovers that may cause you tears. Go ahead, release your fear. Stand up and lay down, so don't be ashamed to try. You gotta play, you gotta feel it, you gotta play more, you gotta play wiser. You gotta play hard, you gotta play tough, you gotta be stronger. You gotta be cool, you gotta play calm, you gotta stay together. All I know, love will take the day. Now we're a bunch of mothers in. Read the books, you'll find a way. Try to solve the puzzle in your own true time. Some may have more cash than you, others take a different view. My, oh my, yeah. You gotta be better, you gotta be more, you gotta be wiser. You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. You gotta be cool, you gotta be calm, you gotta stay together. All I know, love is everything. Time has no patience, it goes on without you. Leave you behind if you can celebrate. Working on them against happen if you try to. This time season, send you in the face. Remember, listen as your day unfolds. Challenge what the future holds. Try to keep your head up to the sky. Never stop, make hope to taste. Go ahead, release your fears. You gotta be better, you gotta be more, you gotta be wiser. You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. You gotta be cool, you gotta be calm, you gotta stay together. All I know, love is everything. Don't ask for passion, it goes on without you. Leave you behind if you can celebrate. The world keeps on spinning against something if you can. This time you understand, you didn't face. Remember, listen as your day unfolds. Challenge what the future holds. Try to keep your head up to the sky. Never spend night cause you tears. Go ahead, release your fears. Oh,
May Marie Kuwan.
Pinulit-ulit ko pa, yung bridge.
Ay, okay na yun, Beshi. Gusto namin yung part na yun, talaga.
Masyado akong excited
Of
sa
course.
part na yun.
Gusto mo nga din yun. Ano nga sa'yo, Whitworth?
Alright.
Loving you by Nina.
Ano namin to?
Ay, wala yun. Paano kaya ito? Loving you. Such an easy thing to do. Yun ba yun, Besh?
For you.
Never knows how it grows. Baka malalagyan
Sige, sige, tuloy mo yan, Beshi.
I-transfer. Yung ba yun?
Just a bit too much.
Nanonood ko ng ano, yung step one.
Di ba yun?
Nina.
Teka, gugugan namin para sa'yo.
Ay, madadagdagan to, Besh.
I-shoot natin dito yan, Beshi. Oh.
Guys, sumatanggap kami ng aginaldo. Baka naman. Guys,
Merry
open-
Christmas!
Open na po ang ating tambiolo. Baka naman, open na open.
Sige, jump down natin.
Oo, yun. Bahala na kayo dyan.
Mas mataas daw ng 2.
Hindi ko alam, basta yun na yun.
The key plus 2 is equal to?
4. Tama ba?
I think so.
Oo nga. Kung naman nagbigaw
Kaya
kayo.
tayo naging singer eh.
Kaya,
Kasi diba, ang
kaya tayo nag-engineer din. Kaya. Kasi itong forte natin. Kaloka.
Mababa pa rin daw. So if it's not plus 2, maybe
Kaya na nga.
plus 4.
O na to, Breshi. Gano'n ba?
Plus 4. Why natin plus 4?
Yan. Kakapanood ko lang ito kay District 1, Besh. Ate! Madadagdagan yung 5. Oo.
Kasi nahirapan si
Oo.
Beshi kung sa ano.
Mahirap hulihin,
Plus
mahirap
4 na
hulihin
kami.
yun.
Plus 4.
Oo. Uhulihin pa namin yung notes.
Oh, ito. I think this is it. Let's see.
You get so sad, so young, so beautiful.
kasi
$5 guys. First stanza lang. Yun ang yung nakabot ng ng budget.
isang first lang, isang
Yung guys, yun ang nakabot ng budget.
Ano ka naman malapit, Beshi? Eto, Beshi, dadagdagan daw ang
Ay, nadadagdagan.
Dadagdagan daw ang tip pag nakanta mo. Gusto ko nang bumitaw.
Besh, ngayon pa lang, bibitaw na ako, Besh.
Gusto ko nang bumitaw.
Magkano, Besh? Magkano to?
Morissette.
Teka, kukulang ko na kay Shura.
Ito po si Mars. Hiniram lang po namin si Mars sa light hall.
Grabe,
Pero feeling ko, hindi napapayag next time to.
Gusto ko nang bumitaw.
Gusto ko nang bumitaw by Morissette daw.
Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Yeah,
Oh,
yun na
bakit
yun.
walang mic? Bakit walang mic?
Ilan
Kailangan ikaw.
Yun na, tetanda.
Thank you, Jen.
Thank you so much siya nagbigay.
Hindi, dadagdagan daw nga pag nakanta mo.
Idadagdagan ba?
Pag nakanta mo.
Besh, bibitaw na ako ngayong pala.
Mamaalam na tayo.
Guys, hindi na kami tumatagap ng request. Yun. Charot. Charot. Ano na. Ano yan?
Susubukan lang.
Gabi ba yun?
Kailan mo ba ng lyrics?
Gusto ko
Hanapan kita ng lyrics.
Palita. Gusto ko na
Ay, gusto ko lang tayo.
At ang hirap kumita ng pera.
Nalundong pa to. Ayun.
Oo, ayun.
Gusto ko na.
Gusto ko nang bumitawan ng age.
Saan na?
Basta basta pag may nangyaring masama, huwag niyo ako sisisihin. Siya yung pipito.
Memorize mo ba? Memorize mo ba? Gusto ko na. Teka, ang hirap mag-spelling.
Oo.
May mathematics na, may spelling ka.
Besh, gusto ko na. Besh, okay ang nakalagay.
Ano yan? Kaya pala.
Bakit alam mo keyboard, dapat di niya kaya.
May ano to smart keyboard. Okay. Ayan. Alright, let's try. Let's jump.
Beshi, session lang naman ako sa'yo. Bakit ka
Oo
doon
nga,
pinagbataan ako
Bakit
ngayon?
ako pumayag next time? Si Ice B kasi may kasalanan.
Oo, may sakit si Beshi.
Nilisan ako, kaya
Nag-session lang naman ako,
napahamak
bakit?
ka. Kaya napahamak si
Oo.
Beshi. Biglang napakanta pa ng gusto ko ng bumitaw. Bibitaw na talaga.
Ako chorus lang to, Besh. Pero,
Alright, let's try.
ano to?
Wala ba kayo mga kamay?
Nakikipaglaban sa digma, natalo na hanggang kailan, talo na, pagod na. Akala ko ikay sa ibig pero hindi na pala. Wala na nga bang talaga?
Pero Beshi.
Nagdadala sa kadilim, nalilitaw ang mga ko sa'yo. Sino nga ba ako sa'yo? Dito sa aking pagkakahinla, sa dibdib mo'y nakalaga. Walang kasing lugong, walang kasing sakit. Hinahula ako.
This is it.
Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pamasa pa. Siguro kalaban ang sarili. Sino nga ba kung humbili? Sino nga ba ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw.
Okay, hanggang doon na lang daw ang
Ano na lang yung alam ko, guys. Sorry.
Once again, give it up for Gracie on vocals. Ayan.
Thanks for
Muntik
that.
ng bumitaw.
Ikaw na nga, Ben.
Oo. tuloy pa. Kakayanin mo na lang ang second verse. Pareho lang ng first verse yun.
Oo, ikaw naman, ikaw naman. Ikaw naman.
Mukha bang kumakanta ako ng Morissette?
Besh, nag-iwisal
Hanggang
ka.
mga ano lang ako, mga you gotta be there.
Ay, grabe,
Ano?
Besh.
Kahit na isang...
Oo nga. Lumalaki na yung...
Ikaw, Besh, nasa sa'yo yun.
Lumalaki na yung collateral.
Kahit na 1,000 yan, hindi ko kakantahin.
Hindi ko nakakita. Hindi ko alam kung yung second verse.
Asan ba napunta?
Uy, mag-request naman kayo ng iba na lang, guys.
Ano, teka, gusto nga daw nila eh.
Gusto ko ng bumita. Yun na yun. Grabe, guys.
O, sige.
Ay, sigaw lang kawan ka rito. Ayaw mo to. Bumibito ka.
O, 50 bucks daw. O, sige, ano, babanat ba o ano?
Laban o baway na ba sa Beshi?
Nasa sa'yo yan, Beshi. Basta ako, ano lang ako.
Sige. Ano ba to?
Nako. Medyo makanting na ano.
Hindi.
Are you gonna sing Irene, the song? No?
Nairi na lang. Sino ba si Ayun? Ayun ka na ni may Beshi. Sino na ba?
Sai, alam mo yung verse, kahit verse lang daw. Tapos si Beshi ang ano.
Ay,
Bibigyan ka namin ng
di ba yung 3?
May 5 bucks dito, bibigyan namin.
No, bigyan ka
$5
namin ng
sa'yo.
ano.
Bukod namin na yung 50.
Dito ako nag-practice ko. Hindi ko to alam. Ano na lang, yung ano. Pwede. Pero hindi ako mag-iwis. Sige, akin na lang. O, sige.
Sino tong akin ka na lang?
Morissette din.
Ay, akin ka na lang.
Guys, si Gracie lang ako, di ako si Morissette. Bakit mo ako Beshi lang ako.
Google na namin, akin ka na lang ni Morissette. I-google din niya yung...
Ikaw ang mag-iwisal, Beshi.
Ha? Ano meron dito?
Yan, sige, ito na lang. Pero may 50 pa rin, guys. Hello.
We will try. We will
We'll
Google.
try,
We
yeah.
will Google. Talaga lang.
Kenny ba na?
Jam lang daw, jam.
Sige. Guys, I'm just gonna try this song, guys. Talaga naman.
Once again, another song from Morissette.
Bakit hindi mo maramdaman ikaw sa akin
Bigyan pa natin si Gracie.
Ako sa'yo ay kaibigan. Ano nga ba di ko natanggap?
$50?
Guys, ikaw lang isang mga whistle lang dahil. Dapat na lang yung kumanta nito, Beshi. Diyos ko, Lord.
Oh, wala nga lang sa tono yung whistle, pero whistle yan.
Oh, at least may nabuo na may contribution.
Oh, di ba? Contribute ka pa.
Okay, natin meron isa pang mariset, guys. Guys, gusto kayo na ano? Guys, tumawag na kayo ng ambulansya.
Hindi, last song na tayo, Beshi. We are good. Okay, we are down to our last song. We'd like to, we'll be taking a very short break, but we will be back after, grabe, a few reminders.
Hindi ako
Or
nasabihin.
gusto naman, kumanta ng ating mga kakanta ng, ng Sweet Caroline. Meron daw dyan, or ready na ba? Or mamaya pa nga, magpapakalasin muna. Alright, so, asan na ang ating singers na who will sing this song? Kasi Sweet Caroline na.
Ay, salamat.
Natin kayo ng lyrics. Let us know kung gusto nyo after the break or...
May we call on our special guest, Chito Zulueta, because
Si Don, ayan, nasa sulit siya.
Chito,
Eto na.
Chito and Rex.
Yes, bagong-bago to, guys. Nakalabas lang sa
Chito Miranda! Sige, Chito!
Guys,
Chito, come on, let's go.
take it away, kuya.
Where it began, I can't begin to know, but then I know it's growing strong. Chito, please come. Was it the spring, and spring became the summer, the believing fall. Touching hands, reaching out, touching you, touching you. Come on, everyone, let's go. Sweet Caroline, oh, oh, oh. Good times never seem so good. Good, good, good. I've been inclined to believe they never would, but now I look at the night and it don't seem so lonely. We fill it up with only two. Chito, this is for you. And when I hurt, hurting runs off my shoulder. How can I hurt when holding you? Touching warm, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Come on, let's go again. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe they never would. Oh no, no. Again, we would like to welcome the big boss of Ella and Lily, Chito Zulueta. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. Sweet Caroline, I believe they never would. Sweet to Toronto. Welcome back. Thank you.
Okay, once again, palakpakan na natin si Mayon. Thank you so much. Alright, so we'll be back after a very short break, so do stand by for the second set. Once again, thank you so much.
Yun, no? Ayan, tapos ang first set. So, we'll see you on the second set. Para mag-chance tayo. Dahil lobat na tayo. So, we'll see you in the second set. Tabang-aba.
Dapat gas ka mo yan? O lang?